How does your fit go? Is your fit going hard? Oh yeah, my fit's going hard. Let's go. What's going on, YouTube? Oh wait, hang on, pull over. I didn't even strap my helmet. I'm retarded. It's too windy.
If you don't know where to go, just get behind me and follow me.
Get behind you?
Yeah, go behind me and just follow me.
Oh yeah. Alright, what's up, YouTube? I need to go get gas real quick. So I know I need it. I know I'm gonna be low soon. And then we're gonna just cruise around. I want a quick shifter so bad. Because when I've been shifting without the clutch, this clutchless shifting, it felt really good actually. Just like this. It feels so much better without the clutch. I'm just chilling today. I gotta put music on after I get gas. All I know is I rode like all day yesterday. I didn't even fill up. Perpendicular filling up. Perpendicular filling up. Premium jit. I rode like all day and my thing's not even, my light's not even on. Come on, bitch. Perpendicular fueling. I felt like I rode all day yesterday and I used like no gas. Like I was ripping it on the highway. I'm so confused, bro. That's weird. I used like no gas. I'm gonna reset this. Oh my gosh, my tank's so cold and it feels so good. Yeah, guys, I don't have a topic today. I guess we're gonna hit some. I think there might be some twisties up here, but me and my brother are just gonna rip around up here. Just have a good time, vibe out. And I got some tunes in, baby. Oh, Challenger. Yesterday I saw it was a wide body Challenger. It looks so sick. It was like a well, I think it was like a dark bluish. It was dope. Slow down, know where we're going. She goes. The sun's not out today, but it's just like it's like a little chilly. Not really chilly. It's like, I don't know, it feels good. It's like perfect hoodie weather. Yeah, hit the gym today. Went downtown. I hit like it was this dope gym. I think it's called, I don't remember what it's called. I'll throw it up. But like a month is like 70 or 80 bucks. A day pass was 15 bucks. I'm like, bruh, even the day pass was quite a bit. Yes, sir. Missed. I've never been over here.
Not too bad.
What?
Not too bad.
Are there good roads up here?
Yeah, that's a turn.
Some turns, nice. Oh, okay, I get down to these roads. It's a vibe back here, for real. Ah, feels so good out today. I gotta keep my foot more like on the rear brake when I do wheelies, but because then I'll really be able to like get up there and like just like hit the rear brake a little bit, you know. And then so if you go too high up, just hit the rear brake and then you come down a bit so you don't obviously fly off. I've never been back here. It's a nice vibe because no one else is on the road. Yeah, guys, I feel so much better with my new front tire, because obviously you guys saw the tread on it before. If you've seen my previous video, oh shit, yeah, because I would have posted that already. So if you see the new tread I got on it, oh my god, it feels so much better. All right, really time. Watch this. Oh, I feel so good today. Feeling good today. I'm really trying to practice hitting that rear brake. Damn, cutting down all those trees. These roads, so I don't want to go crazy either, and it's kind of in the woods, so I don't want like any animals jumping out, but you gotta kind of pick and choose when you want to go.
I've never gotten this far, so
what?
I've never gotten this far, so we can go.
These roads are so good. Go right, because it looks like there's more turns. These roads are a vibe.
Well, that turn I just fucking went off.
Follow up, yeah. Trying to make sure no one's coming. My brother said I guess that one turn he almost flew off. The cows. Tied in first at the best therapy is riding. Gym and riding's like the best therapy right there, baby. Just vibe out, have a good time for real. Listen to music. I think left is our way back. That's just my instincts. I don't know though. Left, you think? That's just my instincts. I think we go left to get back, but I don't know. Alright, go left. Oh yeah, that rev limiter sounds so good. One thing is clean. BRZ. We're either getting closer to my house or a lot farther. I don't know which one yet. My GoPro looks like it's good.